Okay, so here we are on another little RV trip. We were trying to head out to West Virginia, and you might notice that the hood's up. Well, the hood's up because when we go to start this bad boy, it does nothing. Nothing. So there's roadside assistance is on the way, and hopefully they'll either give me a jump start or maybe even bring a new battery if that's the problem. Apparently it's also could be the starter. But you got this engine up here, right? You got the engine up here. And would the starter be accessible from this area right here? Oh no, absolutely not. The starter is only accessible in this space under here. And I tried to get my big fat head down there and it did not work at all. So we're off to the races. I'll give you an update later.